Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will create another basic geometric model as shown in the image. So let's get started. Choose front plane, select line and start creating a rough profile according to the image. After creating a rough profile, now it's time to define it. So choose Smart Dimension and start defining the geometry. So the geometry is fully defined. Now it is time to extrude it. Now select extrude, choose the profile and drag it and enter the value 30 mm and press OK. So now we have to add a circle as shown in the image. Select this face. Now choose circle. Give die of 10 and define it according to the image. Once the circle is defined, now it's time to extrude it. So select extrude, select the circle's profile and drag it, and there you have it. Your 3D model is successfully completed. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.